In this video, you'll learn how to build a software as a service application using Windsurf. By following these steps, you will have your SaaS app up and running in no time. Begin by launching the Windsurf application on your computer. Ensure that your system meets the necessary requirements for optimal performance. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection, as a stable connection will facilitate smoother interactions with the software. Once the application is open, locate the option labeled Agent on the main interface. This section is typically found on the left sidebar. Click on Agent to proceed to the next step. You should see additional options appear, indicating that you are in the correct section. Next, look for the button that says New Session and click on it. This action will initiate a new project within Windsurf. After a brief moment, you will notice that a new window or workspace opens, ready for you to input your project details. At this point, a cascade code interface will appear. This is where you will input the parameters for your application, type in the phrase "Create a SaaS App" in the designated input area. Make sure to enter the text accurately, as any errors could affect the generation process. After entering the required text, locate the Enter button and click on it. This action will submit your input and trigger the generation of your SaaS application. You may observe a loading indicator, which signifies that Windsurf is processing your request. Wait patiently for Windsurf to generate your application. The duration of this process may vary depending on the complexity of your project and the current load on the system. Once the application is fully generated, you will receive a confirmation message or see the newly created app listed in your projects. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.